Guys, did you know that wood is more rare than diamond but not on earth? Then you must be thinking, where and how is this possible? You must have seen roses of different colors such as white, red and pink. But is it true that black roses exist? And if they do exist, where can they be found on earth? You must have seen these kind of lines on different roads. But do you know that what do they mean or what do these lines indicate on these roads? So guys, if you want to know the answers for all these questions, keep watching this video till the end, because the answers for these questions are hiding in this video. And also, I'm going to tell you guys some really mind-blowing facts. So keep watching this video till the end. So my name is Aryan and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So further wasting more time, let's start the video. Fact number 1. If you are living at a really very noisy environment and you just want to be away from even the sound of clocks, then you must surely visit Zone of Silence, which is located at Mexico. This place is a really very strange place because at this place clocks stop working, radios stop functioning, and if you are carrying a compass with you, the needle of your compass will spin violently at the Zone of Silence at Mexico. This is a really very strange place, right? Fact number 2. Did you know that 1 hour in space is equivalent to 7 years on Earth? This means that if you leave Earth at the age of 15 years in a spaceship with the speed of light and spend 5 years in space, when you return back to Earth, you will be 20 years of age, but the friends around you would be 65 years old. That's mind-blowing, right? Fact number 3. Our body contains a mineral called iron. I think that most of you must have heard of this mineral. Iron is present in our red blood cells called hemoglobin, and also iron mineral is present in the muscle cells called myoglobin. So that was a little bit information about iron mineral. Now let me tell you a fact about iron in our body. So did you know that there is enough iron in our body to make a 2-inch iron nail? Nowadays you can find a lot of varieties of ballpoint pens which are available in the market, such as you can see in the images. These ballpoint pens are really very fancy, right? But there's one thing common in all of these ballpoint pens, that all the fancy stuff are made up of artificial and non-living items such as diamonds. But did you know that there is a Japanese ballpoint pen which contains real parasitic worms in a part of the pen, and these parasitic worms keep swimming when you write something with this pen. Fact number 5. You must have seen these kind of lines on different roads, right? But do you know what do these lines mean or what do they indicate? So basically these lines were made to avoid accidents during overtaking. So if the line is continuous but it is breaking like this, as you can see in this image, that means that you can overtake without any risk. If the line is continuous but it is not break, as you can see in this image, that means that overtaking is a bit risky. And if the line is doubled and it is continuous like this, that means that you must not overtake, because overtaking is really very risky in this situation. Fact number 6. You all must heard of Titanic ship, right? The Titanic ship was named as the unsinkable ship, but ultimately Titanic struck an iceberg and drowned into the sea on 15 April 1912, in which more than 1500 members died. That's very sad. So that was a short story about Titanic ship. Now let me tell you the fact. So did you know that the Titanic 2, you heard that right, Titanic 2 is scheduled to set sail on 2022, and also the Titanic 2 will retrace the route of Titanic 1. Fact number 7. You must have studied in school that Mars is known as the red planet because Mars looks red in color due to its soil looks like rusty iron. And you must also have studied that Earth is called the blue planet because it is covered mostly with water sources such as oceans and rivers. So that was about Mars and Earth. Now I'm going to tell you guys a fact. So, did you know that in the red planet, which is Mars, blue sunset occurs, and in the blue planet, which is Earth, red sunset occurs. Fact number 8. You must have seen roses of different colors such as red, white and pink, right? But did you know that black roses exist? Yes guys, you heard that right. Black roses exist. Black roses are a really very rare species of flower which is only and only found in the village of Halfeti in Turkey, and black rose is naturally grown in here. Fact number 9. When you visit a crowded place such as malls, festivals or just a party, if someone is looking at you for a very long time, I think that you can feel that and you stare at that person again, right? This phenomenon is called gaze direction. This is the sense used by our brain when it feels that someone is looking at you. Fact number 10. If you leave a piece of bread outside without covering it by anything, after some time you can see fungus formation on the bread. This fungus formation on the bread is called bread mold, and if you see this, that means that your bread has been spoiled. And same with the other food items. You must enjoy your favorite food items such as beverages or any other snacks before they get expired. But did you know that honey does not get spoiled like other food items? In fact, you can eat 3000-year-old honey. Fact number 11. This is the fact for which you have been waiting eagerly, and also this is the final fact for this video. So here's the fact. Did you know that wood is more rare than diamond but not on earth? Then you must be thinking where? So wood is more rare than diamonds in the whole universe. Now again a question must have arisen in your mind that how is this possible? So to understand this fact in depth, first we have to understand about the formation of diamonds and wood. So first let us try to understand the formation of diamond. Diamonds were found 3 billion years ago under the earth's crust. Diamonds are formed under intense heat and pressure. If you want to obtain diamonds, you have to dig 180 to 200 kilometer deep hole in the earth. For the organic formation of diamonds, 4 ingredients are needed, which is carbon, heat, pressure and of course time. Diamonds take very long time to form, so they are very rare on earth. Okay, so now let us understand about the formation of wood. Wood is very easily available on earth. You just need to grow a tree and you just have to wait for a few years and you can obtain wood from that tree. But here's the twist. The twist is that until now we are talking about growing a tree on earth, which is really very easy. But what about the whole universe? Okay, so we know that wood comes from trees, and trees can be only grown under 3 conditions, which is soil, sunlight and water. These 3 important things to grow trees are found only on earth, not anywhere in the whole universe. On the other hand, you can find lots and lots of diamonds easily in the whole universe. For example, did you know that diamond rain occurred in Jupiter and Saturn, in which more than 1000 tons of diamond fell on Saturn? And did you know that there is a planet named 55 Cancri, which is 40 light years away from Earth? The most important thing about this planet 55 Cancri is that the whole planet is completely made up of diamond. Yes guys, this whole planet is made up of diamond. Like this, you can find tons and tons of diamond in the whole universe, but you will never find trees in the whole universe. You can find trees or woods, whatever you want to see, on only earth. So these things prove that wood is more rare than diamond in the whole universe. So guys, did you like these facts which I shared in this video? And if you want to see more videos like this one, then like, share and subscribe. So guys, that's all for now. See you in my next interesting video. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day.